Hi guys, I'm Lorna. Welcome to my January Stitch Fix. I don't know if you can tell, of course you can tell, I am in a very unfinished room right now. This is going to be a playroom slash maker's space, but we've got this giant mirror on one wall and we'll be utilizing that. I am experiencing technical difficulties with my camera, and so here I am back with my cell phone after all of the drama with the lighting and blah blah blah. We are being very, very casual this year. 2021 is going to be the year to just relax. So, this is my first stitch fix of 2021. I'm excited to show you what I got. They sent me a bunch of tops, and I put some really cute outfits together, I think. You will have to, of course, tell me, I guess. Why am I so bad at this all of the time? So I did get a second stitch fix in December. It came right after Christmas. I did not do a video for it, but I kept a top and a pair of pants. And, they just start coming one after another, and it was right after Christmas. We were doing some traveling. Things just didn't line up for me, and I didn't do a video, but that's okay. Life goes on. So I'm excited to get started to show you what I got, and let's go. So this is my first top. I really like it. They call it a brush knit top. It's very smooth. It's not like a sweater material. It is a sweater material. It's just really kind of silky, but like elbow patches. I love elbow patches. Good length in the back. I love the little button details. Oh no. Perfect. Just what you guys want to see. A little string. But I really like it. Feels nice. This is the outfit that I put together based on what Stitch Fix sent. Not what I would normally pair together, but also not really bad either. I'm just digging these elbow patches, y'all. Yeah. Because, why not? Yeah. I think I'll probably keep this. So this is top number 2. It's very comfortable. It's got these, it's like a hoodie. Obviously, y'all, my brain's not working. It's really, really comfortable. You can roll the sleeves up, as you can see. This is my little outfit that I put together. Some shoes I haven't worn in a while. They're a little crunchy. I like the length in the back. Really good length. But I'm probably not going to keep this. And not for any other reason other than I just don't see myself really wearing this. Cute little buttons. Really comfortable. But ultimately, I'm not going to, hey, honeys, whoa. Somebody got in a fight with another dog, and her injuries aren't healing because she keeps licking them, so now she has to wear the cone of shame. Wow, I got everybody in here. Quit licking her butt. Quit licking her butt. That's gross. Stop. Oh my God, y'all. Anyway, this is top number 2. Very, very comfortable. Not gonna keep it. I don't know, y'all. Oh, it's really comfy. Not gonna keep it. Okay, top number 3. It's this green striped Dolmen sweater. Good length in the back. Normal sweatery material. I'm not gonna keep this. I don't really like the color more than anything else. I'm about to say I have all of these Dolmen sweaters. I probably have 2 Dolmen sweaters, but I feel like I don't wear them enough to warrant getting a 3rd Dolmen sweater, especially if I don't really like the color. But good length. Nice material, very, very soft. Y'all, I'm so sorry about this handheld stuff. I'm no good at it at all. This is my outfit that I put together. Another nice little casual outfit. I should do this more often with the casual stuff and these shoes. Miss Harlequin. Pretty girl. Okay. I think I've showed you everything you need to see. The back, the front. Okay, guys, over and out. Okay, sweater number 4 in this fix. I love it. Look at these buttons on the side. It's a good, like, I think this is a cable knit. I don't care. I'm calling it a cable knit. I really like it. It's super long in the back, covers my butt really well. I gotta tell them to stop sending me sweaters because I am horrible at saying no to sweaters, and it's gonna be hot for like ever in New Orleans. We've got maybe another month of cold, and that's it. And I've got so many sweaters right now. This is my outfit that I put together. It is not based on their suggestions. I found these leopard print pants in the back of my closet. Totally forgot that I had them, and I just, y'all, I'm digging this. Once again, apologies for the handheld stuff. I am not good at it. I don't. I'm showing my age, I guess. Yeah. It's supposed to be black, but as you can see, it's more like it's kind of a faded black, but who cares? It's cute. I'm keeping it. I love it. All those stupid buttons on the side. What are they for? Nothing. Just cute. Anyway. Okay, one more item. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so last item are these joggers, and they are called comfort joggers, and man, they are not lying. They are super comfortable. I do not know what kind of material this is. Don't focus on the mirror or the smudges. I don't know what it is. It's so comfortable. How is it? I already have cat hair on it. I just pulled it out of the box. Pockets. It's got pockets. It's got this super long drawstring. But they are super comfortable. So comfortable. Y'all, I did not share my last Stitch Fix box. It came right after Christmas. Everything was chaotic. We were headed to see my parents. They put a pair of joggers in that box, and I kept them. So I can't keep these. I don't need, that's too many pairs of joggers. I already have a lot of pairs. Once again, y'all, I have 2 pairs of joggers. I just don't need another pair of joggers. But these are super comfortable. Oh, they're really stretchy. Look at that. Look at that stretch. Oh, these are nice. I can't keep them. I can't justify keeping them. So that was my Stitch Fix, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the outfits I put together. I put a little effort into it this time, putting things together, and I hope you thought the outfits were cute. I know I did, which made it really hard for me to make decisions, but I am going to keep the black sweater and the sweater with the elbow patches. I'm going to send the joggers and the other two tops back. Style Pass has been really great to try, but also really bad for my wallet, because I was all like, oh cool, I pay this much money and I don't have to pay a styling fee. That means I don't have to actually keep any of the things in the box, and I have yet to not keep something. So, and I'm getting the boxes like every 2 or 3 weeks, so it's like one box after another, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and I love so much stuff, and I always end up keeping something. So maybe next time I will send everything back. Who knows? But again, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys next time.